how to trade cryptocurrencies in Binance. Let's go! If you're new to this channel, don't forget to click thumbs up, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you'll get notified with my new videos. This video assumes that you already have a working and active Binance account. If you don't have a Binance account yet, please go to argeltiburcio.com/Binance so that you can create your free account today. So once that you've registered in Binance and you've verified your account, so don't forget to verify your account, you'll be taken to this screen once you log in. So this is the home page of Binance, and if you want to start trading right away, the first thing to do is go to the buy crypto page. So buy crypto, and if you want to change the currency, if you want to pay with Philippine pesos for my case in this example, so just click here and search for Philippine pesos. Now it's already selected. So what I do is I go to P2P trading. Click P2P trading. Once you're in P2P trading, you have to buy USDT. In simple terms, USDT is our currency inside Binance. It's the widely used currency or coin in this case to trade the cryptocurrencies in Binance. So we need to buy our USDT first before we can start trading. So when you go to the P2P page, you will see USDT and then click buy if you're not yet on the buy screen, and you will see the other users in Binance who are selling USDT. You can see the columns here. So the advertisers are the P2P users in Binance. The price is, this is the price in Philippine pesos in this case for 1 USDT, and this is the available USDT that's being sold by this user. For the payment methods, there are multiple payment methods depending on the advertiser. So in this case, Bloombit has a Union Bank account that will accept the payment. So others have bank transfer. I think others here might have GCash and ING and other new banks that have been rolled out by Binance. So if you have selected your own advertiser, you wanted the price that they're selling at, just click buy USDT. So when you buy USDT, so you can put how much USDT you want, for example 100, and depending on the seller, they have a minimum or a maximum. So let's find a seller that will accept, let's say this Abra. So buy USDT, and the minimum is 5,000 pesos, for example. So you will receive 99.9 USDT. So the sellers will have their terms and conditions. Funds will be transferred. If you have Union Bank, so he will accept Union Bank. But if you don't have Union Bank, please note that this seller only supports InstaPay. So if your bank account or bank transfer supports InstaPay, then Abra, the seller, will accept it. So once you click buy USDT, you'll have a payment time limit of this much, 15 minutes in this case. So you have to do it right away, and there's more instructions when you click buy USDT. There you go. So what are the advantages of doing P2P trading or buying your USDT in Binance P2P? So let's go over the advantages. Of course, the low cost transaction fees, flexible payment methods because bank transfer is allowed and other banks are being accredited, and other online banks, even GCash and ING. And you can trade at your preferred prices depending on the prices that they're posted at here in P2P. And there's also protection for your privacy because you just transfer bank to bank, for example, and it wouldn't appear, for example, in your statement that you bought cryptocurrencies. If you want more info, there's a video tutorial link in this P2P page. So you can just click that for additional information. Now let's go over to the case wherein you already bought your USDT and now you're ready to trade or ready to buy crypto in the spot market. So before we can trade the USDT that we bought, we must go to our wallet. So hover over the wallet link in the Binance page and click P2P because the wallet is separated into these categories. All the cryptocurrencies that you bought in P2P will stay in P2P unless you transfer it. So if you want to trade it in the spot market, which we will demo later, we have to transfer our P2P cryptocurrency or the USDT to our spot wallet. So just click P2P and you'll be taken to this page. So you will see in this page if you bought USDT from the P2P market. So you will see your available assets here and your total assets. So what we have to do is to simply click transfer from P2P to the spot wallet. Okay, so if you have an available 1,000 USDT in your P2P wallet, so just put there 1,000 and then confirm transfer. After that, you can see that your spot wallet already has the 1,000 USDT and now you're ready to trade. So now you have your USDT in your spot wallet. Now it's time to trade or to buy the cryptocurrencies that you want. So just go to trade and then what I use is advanced and then you'll be taken to this screen. Okay, so it's a busy screen. Don't worry, we'll be talking more about the simple rules or the simple functionalities of this screen. So the first thing that you want to look at is the pair. So USDT pair with the cryptocurrency that you want to buy. So if you want to buy Bitcoin, so you have to find here in the drop down, you just type BTC / your USDT. So if you click that pair, you'll be taken to this screen. So what I want to view is the trading view. I'm more adept or more familiar with the trading view kind of chart. So there's an original chart, but I use trading view. So you will see the current price. Of course, it's fluctuating. Cryptocurrencies are open or the market is open 24/7. So this is the current price. So if you want to buy Bitcoin, you go over to your right. So this is the buy button. So if you want to buy, for example, Bitcoin at 56,000, for example, you just put the price that you want to buy it from and then put the amount of Bitcoin that you want to buy. For example, you want to buy 0.001 Bitcoin. So that means in US dollar or in USDT, it's 56 USDT or US dollar. So if you're happy with that, you just click buy BTC and then your limit order will be processed. So it will be posted. Once the price hits 56,000 and if a seller also sells at 56,000, your orders will be matched and then you'll get 0.001 BTC less the fees. So if you want to know more about the fees, just read over the help portion of Binance, and they also have a YouTube channel. So once the order is executed, you already have that amount of Bitcoin, for example, in this case. So what else are available? So the market, if you buy in market, that means you will be buying that cryptocurrency in the market price. So you just have to input how much dollars or USDT you want to buy it or how much you want to spend, and then it will match your order in the current market price, and then you'll get that amount of Bitcoin, in this case, in your account. For the stop limit, it's an if-then scenario. So if, for example, if you want to buy after it reaches a certain point, for example, or a certain amount. So let's say if Bitcoin hits 57,000, let's buy at 57,100.001 Bitcoin. So what that means is when the price hits 57,000, there will be a limit order for buying Bitcoin at this amount, at 57,100. So that's the stop limit. Now, if you want to sell, it's the same. So you just have to input, for example, in sell limit, input how much you want to sell your current Bitcoin holdings. So let's say 58,000, and then you sell your 0.001 Bitcoin at that amount. Then if you click sell, when the price hits that price level, then hopefully your order will get posted and executed. And then you'll get back 58,000 USDT minus the transaction fees. So the next question is, how can I cash out or how can I withdraw? So we'll just do the reverse of what we did. So now that you have, for example, 58,000 USDT, let's just transfer it over to your P2P wallet. So go to wallet, so to your spot wallet. So once you go to your spot wallet, go to transfer, you will see above. Go to transfer, and then from fiat and spot, you want to transfer it to P2P. So just look for your coin or the USDT coin that you have that you want to withdraw, and then confirm. Once it's on your P2P wallet, go to P2P. So you'll see your USDT in your P2P wallet. So now you can sell it in the P2P market. So click sell. Look for the Philippine peso in this case, for example, and find someone who is willing to buy your USDT. So again, if you want more info about buying and selling in P2P, you just click read more here or click the video tutorial, and you can also follow their YouTube channel. And there's also FAQs at the bottom of this page. How to buy, what are the downsides from beginner, and if you're an advertiser, which is a seller, for example. Okay, so that's it. So again, the process is, of course, create your account in Binance. Go to the P2P market, buy USDT in the P2P market, transfer from your P2P wallet to the spot wallet, and then after that, you can now trade or you can now buy and sell the cryptos that you want in the spot market. If you have other questions, you can comment it below. I know that this is not a very comprehensive video, but this is just to help you jumpstart your Binance trading journey. Enjoy, and don't forget that cryptocurrency trading is very high risk if you don't know what you're doing. And this video is not financial advice. This is just a quick tutorial for you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click the thumbs up, subscribe, and click the notification bell for other videos. This is Argel Tiburcio. Thank you so much.